Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are going to make a loaded chicken salad recipe today. The first step is you pour this into the strainer. The next step is you put 2 scoops of whipped cream of mayonnaise in it after you place the chicken inside. The next step is you put some sour cream inside. Now that the sour cream has been put inside, you put some garlic powder, 1 thing of it. The next step is you put some black pepper, 1 thing of it. The next step is you put some pickles in it. The next step is you put some cheese in it. The next step is you stir it. As you stir it, remember to not make a mess. The next step is you put some pork rinds inside of it. You use the pork rinds to eat it. So you would put each pork rind inside it as you eat it. She gonna be chunky.